You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this cocktail, as well as how to say more cocktail names and vocabulary from Italian. Stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In Italian, in Italy, it's said as Negroni, Negroni, Sbagliato, Sbagliato. Meaning, Sbagliato means mistaken or broken, some might say. So it replaces the gin in the Negroni cocktail with sparkling wine. That's why it's mistaken or broken, if you wish. Negroni Sbagliato. It's easy, and now you know. More videos where you're here to learn more useful vocabulary and correct pronunciations. I'll see you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.